Hey everyone, this is Nicholas with Homes of Fredonia, and this will be part one. I just got done recording a video of the kind of scope of the whole around the house and the crane, and we're in Fredonia, New York. We just set this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom ranch home, and it's got approximately 1,800 square feet of living space. And so in the first video, I showed around the whole house, as well as the full basement. We went down into the basement and I showed the whole basement, and they've got a porch on the back of this house. So make sure to check out that video. I'm gonna make that video part 2 actually, and I'll make this one part 1, I think. And so they just got done lifting the roof up to its peak here. They just haven't put the center line on it yet there. So that's all set and both modules are set. And I'm gonna attempt to climb this ladder into the house. Okay, here we go. I want to show you the inside of this house. So we're going to get up in here. Okay, we got it. We're in. So this is awesome. I love this floor plan. I had to get up in here. Check out that integrated back porch. This thing is so cool. And this living area is awesome too. So that's a full living room there. And I'll have the link to the floor plan in the description of the video so that you can see how big this house is. It's got a ton of space in it. The video just does not do the size of even just this room justice here. Then this is the dining area. So you see you have the kind of nice broken off separated entryway into the nook here, into the dining room from not only the living room, but also from the kitchen here. So it's open floor plan, but it's really not. It's got really nice character to it. And of course, these little supports get removed. So this is gonna be open right here, kind of an open hallway, into the living room. And then, kitchen kind of separated. Absolutely massive island in here. This is really cool. Once again, you have to look on the floor plan to see the size of all this stuff because the video just doesn't do it justice. This island is massive. And really cool colors in here, nice and light. And everything is really nice. Let's see what we have in here. Is this a hidden pantry? It is. We have a hidden pantry option in here, which is super cool. And let's see here. They don't have lights on obviously yet because it's not connected yet, but really cool. So hidden pantry in here that goes back behind the cabinetry. Awesome option. And let's see if I can get this door open to look at the back side of this island. Just tons of storage in here between the pantry and all this cabinetry. Just tons of storage in this house. And these are soft close, so all cabinets and doors and drawers and everything in this kitchen is all soft close. That's pretty standard amongst modular homes nowadays. And so let's see if I can get on this porch. There we go. Yeah, nice black doors and accents throughout this whole house too. And really cool integrated porch. Love to see this. You don't have to mess with it. It's a huge cost savings. I mean, unless you're able to build a porch yourself nowadays, integrated into the house like this with lighting and everything, it's really expensive to build something like this onto your house with composite decking and the vinyl rails and the lighting, matching the whole house. It can be really, really expensive. And for a lot of people, it pushes the project over budget. So getting this in the floor plan, I mean, this is just really, really cool. And of course, a whole wall of windows into the house here too, so that this home buyer can look at their beautiful property that they have back here. So super cool. This is an awesome floor plan. I'm loving this. And once again, I will put the floor plan in the description. Another cool section of the kitchen here, it just goes all the way back here. A lot of extra counter space and cabinetry. You can almost, I'm trying to think here, you can almost make this like a coffee bar. And then a desk. We have like a full-size desk here with upper head cabinets. So this side of the house is a huge utility room. The home is self-contained. So if you watch in the part 2 video that I'll make part 2, oh my gosh, and I think there's a bee in here and I am allergic, so a little scary. So the furnace and hot water tank are gonna be contained inside this home. And so that's a really cool option because once again, major cost savings. So full washer dryer set up right here. Major cost savings to have the self-contained home, which just means furnace and hot water tank inside the house. And a lot of people opt to have that down in the basement which is fine, but it's going to cost you big time to do that, whereas it costs a fraction of the price to just have the factory make the home self-contained. So you can talk to a rep at Homes of Fredonia about kind of what the cost difference is there. Nice transom window in here for natural lighting is a nice touch. Utility sink, nice to have coming in from the side door there. So yeah, Our Homes of Fredonia makes it extremely easy to get information on these homes. I try to say this in every video. If you're considering doing something like this, the worst thing you can do is just not ask for any information, right? So Our Homes of Fredonia reps make it really easy. There's around $2 million in homes on display for you to just go to 3752 East Main Road in Fredonia, New York, and tour all the homes. Bring the family, bring the friends, and make it a fun experience. Have fun with it. There's no pressure when you come in. It's a campus. It's an educational place, Our Homes of Fredonia. It's built for education. It's built to set you up with the tools that you need one day to build a home. That's all that the whole process is for. So this is the master suite, and this is awesome. Huge room here. I have a bug flying at me. Huge bedroom here. Once again, look at it on the floor plan. And then you walk all the way through the bathroom, and you have a massive closet at the end of this bathroom here. And then I'm assuming this is toilet room. So we have a separate toilet room in here. The 2 double lav sinks with a bunch of storage underneath. And of course, you can't forget the 4x6 walk-in tiled shower with rainfall shower head as well as handheld shower head. So amazing option, the nicest shower option you can really put inside a house with its own lighting above it here. So yeah, super, super cool master suite. And I believe the other 2 bedrooms are going to be contained in the opposite side of the home. I'm just noticing here as well, really cool sort of pattern on the front side of this island here. That's a nice little touch. So let's get you to the other side of the home. And Jason's working in here. He does a hell of a job with these houses. Extremely experienced putting these homes together. Jason is the head of the service department and installing these homes, and he just absolutely crushes it on every job. So here we are in bedroom 2. Obviously slightly smaller than the master suite, but we have a walk-in closet, which is a really nice touch for secondary bedrooms. You do not see that in every floor plan. And right here is going to be the basement drop and stairway down into the home. So when Our Homes of Fredonia quotes you a basement package, sorry for the noise. So when Our Homes of Fredonia quotes you a basement package, it's going to include everything, If you're calling a contractor to get pricing on a basement, they might just give you a price for the basement walls, digging it, the footer, and the floors. From Our Homes of Fredonia, when you're getting a basement price, you're getting everything from head to toe. You're getting lighting, sump pump, like I said, all the electrical, making the basement finish ready. And it's going to be loud over here, but I want to show you the rest of this. This is bathroom number 2. I just popped the rubber band off, so this door's never even been open yet. So bath number 2, nice transom up here. And we have bedroom number 3, which also has a walk-in closet that the guys are working in right now. So that's the whole house. And it would be really cool if I could come back and show you this house and get a tour of this house when it is complete, so you can kind of see what the finished product looks like. But this is a really good tour of it for now. And once again, if you have any questions, stop in Now Homes anytime. Walk-ins are more than available Monday through Saturday. Just check our hours on Google. It's 9 to 5 Monday through Friday and 9 to 4 on Saturdays. And there's always going to be a rep to help you out and give you information and let you tour the homes. It's a really fun experience. Or just call anytime. Within a 5-minute phone call, you can get a ton of information. So it's 716-673-1366. And once again, I'm Nicholas with Our Homes of Fredonia. And thanks so much for watching the video. As always, like and subscribe. And we're going to keep coming with the install videos and home tour videos. Thanks again, and have a great day.